Guys, my name is Sagar and I am starting Excel series today. So today is the first lecture of Excel and we will start with today itself and we'll discuss all the basic things in Excel. Like in this first lecture, I will discuss understand the interface. Then we'll discuss features in Excel. Then what is cell referencing in Excel. Then importance of data analysis in Excel. Okay, so this is the agenda of our today's session, and we are starting. I am starting from very basic. Okay, it is the first lecture and very basic lecture of Excel. Okay, so from today onwards, if you are not good in Excel, so you can attend my lectures from today onwards, and you will become like name to pro in Excel. Okay, so I am starting from very basic. For today, I am discussing these four topics in today's lecture. Let's start. Okay, so understanding the Excel interface. Okay, so you all know about the Excel interface, how Excel looks like, because we all like we all learn Excel in our school days and also in college times. And if you are professional working in an organization, so Excel is very important for you. Okay, because in every organization there is a demand of Excel. Okay, so what is Excel? So Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that allows it is a spreadsheet software that allows users to organize, analyze, and manipulate data using a grid of cells. What are cell grids and how we can manipulate the data? What are spreadsheets? I will discuss this. The interface may vary slightly depending on the version of Excel you are using. Okay, I am using Excel 2021 latest version of Excel. So if you are using another version of Excel, so interface may slightly vary, but the functionalities may be the same. Okay, but the core competence are generally consistent. Okay, let's go through the main parts of Excel interface. Okay, so what is the first part of our Excel interface? Okay, first is title bar. Okay, so what is title bar? The title bar is located at the top of the Excel window and displays the name of the workbook you are working on. Okay, it also contains a standard window control like minimize, maximize, restore, and close. I'll show you how Excel look like. Okay, okay, let's open the Excel file. Okay, so Excel file is opening. So this is Excel sheet. Okay, so this is our title bar. It is shown the name of workbook on which workbook we are working on, and there is the option of minimize. Okay, then it is also the minimize option if you want to minimize the window to half screen, and according to your preference you can adjust that window also, and from here we can close the Excel window. Okay, here is search bar also. If you want to search something, then you can search here in Excel. Okay, like freeze pane, head and footer. These are some functionalities of Excel. We can search in Excel from here. Okay, so this is the title bar of Excel. Okay, let's move forward. Then we have the ribbon. Okay, so what is ribbon? The ribbon is the horizontal strip that runs across the top of Excel and contains various tabs, each with multiple groups of related commands. For example, the Home tab includes commands for formatting, copying, pasting, etc. While the Insert tab has options of inserting table, charts, pictures, etc. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, okay, so this is the ribbon of Excel. Here we have file option. In file option, there are many options. If you want to open new file, then you can open from here. If you want to open any another file, then click on open. If you want info, you can get information about the file. If you want to save that file, you can save. Save as if you want to save that particular that file into some particular place, then you can use save as. If you want to print the file, then you can use print. share, export, publish, close. There are many options, and if you have opened some files in future, recent files, then it will show here. And if you pin some file, then it will show here. If some file someone shared with me some file, okay, so shared file will present here, okay, and your open file will present here, okay. Then we have account, feedback, and options option also are there. In options we have different options like general, formulas. If you want to change the settings of your system, of your Excel, so you can change from here. If you want to do some add some add-in, what is the add-ins I will also discuss, but add-ins will be the like last part of Excel, okay. So today we are discussing only basic things. Then we have home tab. In home tab we have cut, copy, and format painter option. Like some I write something here like my name is Sagar. I wrote it here. Okay. Now I want to copy it. Okay. Or cut it. So we can click here, cut it, and we can paste it here. Okay. Cut from here and paste it here. Okay. So we can use shortcuts for this also. Okay. But I will discuss shortcuts later in coming lectures of Excel, because I don't want to like I don't want you can uh, take everything in one time, okay, in a single time. So today we'll discuss we'll not discuss about shortcuts. We'll discuss about shortcuts in next class, okay. Shortcuts we'll use to increase the productivity in Excel, okay. Then we have copy option. If you want to copy, click on this, and you want to paste it, and paste here, okay. So it is not cut, it is copied from here and paste it here, okay. Then we have format painter option. If you want to format the painter like yellow color, and if you want to that yellow color here, then you format painter, click on format painter and then click here, the yellow color will be pasted here, okay. So this is the format painter option. Then you have font style. If you want to change the font style, you can change from here. You can see that your text style is changing according to font style you have selected, okay. Then we have font size. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it from here like that, okay. Then we have, it is also the option of increase and decrease the font size. And if you want to bold the font, you can bold it from here. If you want to do italicize, you can do italicize from here. If you want to underline your text, you can click on this and your text will be underlined. If you want to add borders in your data, so you can add from here, like border is added, you can see here, okay. And there are different type of borders. You can also draw the borders. You can also draw border grid. You can erase the border. You can change the line color. If you want border of some another color, you can select from here, like I selected here, and the color is changed, okay. So by that way you can do, okay. So these are the some options of border. You can explore these options. This is not so much difficult. This is very easy. Then it is the color. If you want to color your like spreadsheet cells, so you can color it from here like that. If you want to change the color, you can change it from some another color. You can do like that, okay. So this is the font color option. If you want to change the color of the font, so you can do like that. You can pick any color, okay. Then it is the option of alignment, okay. If you how you want to align your text. If you want to align middle, you can select this. If you want to align to left, you can select this is align live right, and this is another options you can explore. This is the orientation. If you want to like clockwise your data like that, okay. If you want to, but we don't want like that. We want like simple data, okay. So you can do like that. You can rotate your data also. Here is the option of increase intent or decrease intent. You can explore these options. Then we have wrap text. If you want to merge two cells, okay, so select two cells. Or if you want to merge more cells, select these cells and click on merge and center. So these cells are merged, okay. But if you want to unmerge that, so click on this drop down will open. Then you can do unmerge cells, so cells are unmerged, okay. Then we have here is a number format. Suppose I have some date, okay. Today is 28th, okay. I have some date here, Okay, and for its format is changed to date when I added date. Okay, suppose I convert it into journal, so date will convert it into number. Okay, so you have to take care of these formats. Okay, select date from here. Suppose I enter some number here, so sorry, you have to, I added 12 but it converted to date because our number format is date. If we convert it to number, then it will show you 12. Okay, so there are so many number formats we have. Okay, scientific, fraction, text. Okay, so you have to take care of this format. Then we have conditional formatting. This is something like additional features, advanced features of Excel. We will discuss these features in upcoming lectures. Okay, then we have insert option. In insert, there are different options: pivot table, then table illustrations. If you want to add some picture shape icon, you can add it from here. If you want to add some add-in, then if you have some add-in added, so it will show here my add-in. Then you have charts option. If you want to add some charts, you can add from here. Then line, spark line option, line, column, and win loss. Then we have slicer and timelines. These are some advanced features. That's why I'm not discussing in detail. We'll discuss these features in detail in coming lectures. Okay. And we have text option, text header, header footer, word art, signature object, and we have symbols also. Okay, if you want to add some equation, so you can use this. Okay, if you want to add some symbols, so you can use these. Okay, then we have page layout, different options of page layout. Then we have formulas. Formula will come later. Okay. Then we have data tab. In data tab, there are many advanced options. Then we have review tab. In view, then we have view tab. Developer option is available in 365 only. You have to like it is add-in. You have to enable it. Then we have help option, power pivot, and these are some additional add-ins which I added in my Excel file, Excel sheet. Okay, because I use these functions like analytics solver, AI added formula editor, GPT. I will discuss all these in coming videos. Okay, so this is the ribbon of Excel. Okay, let's discuss other features what we have. Then we have file tab. Okay, I already discussed what is file tab. Okay, so clicking on the file tab, sorry, clicking on the file tab on the top left corner opens the backstage view. This area allows to perform tasks like saving, opening, printing, and managing the Excel files. Okay, this we have already discussed. Then we have a quick access toolbar located above the ribbon. This toolbar provides quick access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, and redo. You can customize this toolbar to add or remove commands. Okay, it is just above the ribbon. You can check that. Then we have worksheet area. Worksheet area where we type our text. This is the main working area where you can enter and manipulate data. It consists of a grid of cells, each identify unique cell reference A1, B5. Columns are labeled with letters ABC and rows are labeled with number 1 to 3. Okay, then we have formula bar. The formula bar is just above the worksheet area and displays the content of currently selected cells. You can use the formula bar to enter the edit cell data including formula and function. Let's see these in Excel sheet. Okay. Okay, so this is our worksheet area where we can type our data. This is our worksheet area. This is called worksheet and name is given here, sheet 1. Okay, suppose I want to do something like this is worksheet area and we can add anything here like here. Okay, and these are our columns A, B, C, D. This is our columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our rows. Okay, and if you want to see the column and row number, so you can go here. A1. If I go here, then it is B1. If I go here, then it is C1. Okay, and here we have formula bar. It is our formula bar. If you want to add some formula, suppose I want to add some formula in this cell. Suppose I want every formula in Excel is started with equal to. If I type any formula, then it will be written here. Okay, so this is our formula bar. Okay, we discussed all the things. Let's move further. Okay, then we have name box. What is name box? The name box is located at the top left of the formula bar and displays the cell reference of the name of the selected cell. I already show you name box where we can see the column and row number A1, B1, C1 like that. Then we have column and row headers. The column headers are letter A, B, C. I already discussed. Column is denoted by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H at the top of the worksheet, and the row headers are number 1, 2, 3, etc. on the left side of the worksheet. We already discussed this. Clicking on on a column header selects the entire column, and clicking on row header selects the entire row. Okay. This we have already discussed. Then we have a scroll bar. Scroll bar is a vertical and horizontal scroll bar on right and bottom edges of the worksheet to help navigate large spreadsheets. If we have some large data, okay, so we can navigate through scroll bars. It is present on the right side to scroll up and down, and bottom edges of the worksheet to scroll right and left. Okay. Then we have a status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window and displays information about the current slide, current state of workbook, and such as the sum, average, and count of selected cells. Then we have sheet tabs. At the bottom of the window, you will find sheet tabs that allow you to switch between different worksheets within the same workbook. Okay, let's see these scroll bar, status bar, and sheet tab. Okay. uh, so here, okay, so this is a scroll bar. Okay, suppose I will type here something. Okay, and you are here and you want to see these things, so you can scroll it and go here, you can see this. Okay, and this is scroll bar to see the right and left data, right and left side of data on the Excel file. This is presented in bottom. Okay, this is our like what we say it, this is our sheet tab. Okay, this is sheet 1. If you want to add another sheet, click on this. Okay, if you want to add another sheet, click on this sheet, is added, then other sheet, if you want to delete this, you can click on delete, click on delete. If you want to rename this, so you can click on uh, here and rename it. You can move or copy it. Okay, you can protect the sheet also. We'll discuss this in future lectures. Okay, so delete this. So this is our sheet. Okay, let's move further. Then we have cell referencing in Excel. Okay, so I am discussing this topic today, but this topic is not very related to your formulas. Okay, because to discuss cell referencing, I will use formula. You have to just understand the cell referencing, not focus on formula. Okay, I will discuss all the formulas in upcoming lectures. Okay, there are more than like very more than 500 or 600 formulas present in Excel. I will discuss many of the formulas from them, but this self-referencing is not much related to formula. You have to just understand what is self-referencing and what why I am teaching this to you, because it is very much related to your upcoming lectures. Okay, so let's discuss what is cell referencing. Please listen it carefully, it is very important. Cell referencing in Excel is a fundamental concept that allows you to use the contents of the one cell to formulate the function in other cells. Instead of entering constant values directly into formulas, you can refer to specific cells by their address cell reference to perform calculation dynamically based on values in those cells. There are two types of cell referencing in Excel. Not two types, it is misspelled. There are three types of cell referencing. First is relative cell referencing. When you use relative cell referencing in a formula, Excel adjusts the cell reference automatically when you copy or fill the formula to other cells. The references are related to the position of the formula, changing reference based on its new location. Let's understand this. What is relative cell reference? Okay, let's minimize this. Open this Excel. Suppose I have some numbers. This is number one, and this is number 2, and I want sum of this number. Okay, so number 1, suppose I have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 39 and then 40, and here I have 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay, select this and we can add borders to it and we can align it with it. Okay, now I want addition of these two numbers in that row, in that column, these two numbers in that column, these two numbers in that column. How we will do that? Every formula in Excel start with equal to. Okay, so click on equal to, select this, then plus, then select this. For some we'll use like that. Okay, enter. Okay, I will get some of these two number in this column, and then we can copy this. If we copy, then it already adjusts its cell. Here cell, what is cell? Here what is cell? A2 and B2. Okay, because I want A2 and B2 sum. Then I copy this formula to this cell. Here it is already adjusted to A3 and B3. This is called cell referencing. This is A3, A column, and 3 is a row. And this is B3, B column, and 3 is the row number. Okay, suppose I again copied it in another column. It is already adjusted to A4 and B4. So this is, we don't copy like that. What we do, we'll do drag it, we'll drag it, or here is a shortcut. Here you can see the dot, green dot, small, very small green dot. You can double click on that, so all the sums are visible. You can see A6, B6. Here you can see A7, B7. It is already automatically adjusted. Okay, so this is called cell referencing. This is called a relative cell referencing. Okay, let's discuss another cell referencing. Then we have absolute cell referencing. Okay, what is absolute cell referencing? Absolute cell referencing is used when you want a specific cell reference to remain fixed in formula. Okay, regardless of where the formula is copied or filled. To create an absolute reference, you use a dollar sign symbol before the column letter, row number, or both. What is this? Let's discuss absolute cell referencing. Okay, so what is absolute cell referencing? Suppose I want sum of, I want to fix this A2 and move this B2, B3, B4. Okay, like I want sum of A2, B2, A2, B3, A2, B4, A2, B5, and so like that. So how we can do that? Type equal to, select this, plus, and select this. Now what we will do, we will fix this A2. Okay, so that column B will move according to relative referencing, but column A will not move according to absolute cell referencing. Okay, so how we can do that? You can add dollar, simple dollar, or you can press F4. So the moment you press F4, this cell will be fixed. Okay, sorry, this cell will be fixed. You can now do enter and you can drag it or double click on it. Now you can see the sum. Here A2 is fixed, A2 is fixed, A2 fixed, and A2 is fixed, A column is fixed, and B is moving. Okay, so this is called relative absolute cell referencing. A2 is fixed everywhere and B is moving. This is called relative cell referencing. Okay, and sorry, absolute cell referencing. Relative is where both the columns are moving, and absolute where one is fixed and another is moving. Okay, then we have mixed cell referencing. What is mixed cell referencing? It is a combination of relative and absolute cell referencing. Okay, relative and absolute cell referencing. You can anchor either the row or column reference while allowing the other to adjust when the formula is copied. To achieve this, use either dollar before the column letter or row number. Okay, this is as simple as we discussed in last absolute referencing. Like I will show you. Okay, what is mixed cell referencing? Suppose equal to plus, plus, and this. Okay, so this is sum. I want to fix this, so I will press F4, but I don't want to fix this. I want to fix only the column number. not these B2, B3. So either I can put dollar here, okay, sorry, either I can put dollar before this B, okay. If I put dollar here before 2, then this will also fixed, okay. Either I put dollar or I can directly use the row number, okay. So in general we can directly use the row number, okay, then we can drag it. So it is called mixed cell referencing, where A2 is fixed and other cell is moving, okay. Like suppose I want that A will move and B will fix on B2. Okay, so how we can do that? Type here, select this, then plus, then select this. Okay, and I want to fix B2. Then press what we can press F4. Okay, and so it is done. Double click on it and you will get the sum. Here B column is fixed and A is moving. You can see that. Okay, so this is called cell referencing. Okay, and how we can reference the cell? Like from here, it is C2, it is C3, it is C4. If we can go to another cell, then it is P1, P2, like that. So this is called cell referencing. Okay, so cell referencing is very important in Excel, and it is a very powerful feature in Excel. Okay, and that enables you to create dynamic and flexible formulas, making your worksheets more efficient and easier to maintain when dealing with large datasets. Oh, okay. Cell referencing is come into picture when we are dealing with large datasets, because in large datasets there is so much of data, and for data analyst role or in like business analyst role, like in any analyst role, they are dealing with very large data sets. So they use cell referencing to maintain their data in a dynamic and flexible way. Next, we have importance of data analysis in Excel. So this is the theoretical part. We'll discuss it. Data analysis in Excel is incredibly important for various reasons, making it one of the most widely used tools for data processing and decision making in many industries. Here are some key reasons why data analysis in Excel is essential. First is data organization and management. Excel provides a structured grid format, allowing users to organize and manage data efficiently. You can create table, filter, sort data. We'll discuss these functions in coming lectures. And use various formatting options to making the data more understandable and visually appealing. Okay, so we can easily organize our data in Excel because it is a grid format, and we can also add borders and different formatting options in there. Then we have data cleaning and pre-processing. Before conducting any analysis, data often requires cleaning and pre-processing to handle missing values, eliminate duplicates, correct error, and format data appropriately. Excel offers various built-in functions and tools that can help in this process. Okay, so in data of importance of data analysis in Excel, so we can do a lot of things in Excel in the when it comes to data cleaning and pre-processing. We'll discuss this in advanced Excel topics. So this is, now we are on basic, very basic Excel. Then we have basic data analysis. Excel is equipped with a wide range of built-in functions and tools for basic data analysis, such as summing up data, calculating average, finding minimum and maximum values, and performing simple statistical calculations. Then we have data visualization. Excel allows you to create various type of charts. We can create charts in Excel, graphs to visualize the data effectively. Visual representation make it easier to identify pattern, trend, and relationships within the data, helping to gain insights quickly. Then we can do statistical analysis. Excel data analysis tool pack and functions like average, stdef, corel, and other enable user to perform more advanced statistical analysis. This is very advanced functions. We'll discuss this too in when we will come to advanced Excel, including regression, t-test, ANOVA, and more. What if analysis? Excel's scenario manager and data tables facilitate what if analysis, enabling users to explore the impact of different variables or assumptions on the final outcome. So this is called advanced Excel. This is in advanced Excel what if analysis. Then we have pivot table and pivot chart. We can create pivot table and pivot chart to analyze and summarizing the large data set. Okay, and it allow to rearrange and summarize data dynamically, making it easier to understand complex data relationships. Then we have business intelligence dashboard. Excel can be used to create interactive dashboard combining data from multiple sources and displaying key performance indicator visually, which aids in making informed business decisions. Then we have data sharing and collaboration. Excel workbook can be easily shared and collaborated on, making it a valuable tool for teams to collectively analyze data and make collaborative decisions. Overall, data analysis in Excel is crucial for professionals in various fields, including business, finance, engineering, research, and many more. Its user-friendly interface, wide range of functionalities, and widespread availability make it versatile and indispensable tool for handling data analysis tasks of varying complexity. So there are Excel is very very easily understandable. Its interface is very user friendly, and we can do a lot of things in Excel. Today we discussed only the basic functionalities of Excel, but when upcoming lectures are coming, when we discuss upcoming lectures, we will discuss some advanced features of Excel also. First, we'll cover basic Excel. It will take 7 to 8 lectures to cover basic Excel. Then, after 7 to 8 lectures, we will move on to advanced Excel. And advanced Excel is a very interesting part. There we can do data analysis, we can create charts, and we can do lot of things. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. Okay, and also click on the bell icon. And if you like the video, you can like the video. If you don't want anything, then you can comment on that particular video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. All the best.